Understanding what makes a contract invalid is crucial for avoiding costly legal disputes and protecting your agreements. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or individual entering into any kind of agreement, knowing the key factors and legal pitfalls can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. Let's start by outlining the essential components of a valid contract. For a contract to be legally binding, it must include an offer, acceptance, lawful consideration, and mutual agreement. Both parties must enter the contract willingly, be of legal age, and have the mental capacity to understand and fulfill the terms. The subject matter of the contract must be legal, and the agreement should be executed in the appropriate form, whether written or verbal. Now let's explore the common factors that can invalidate a contract. Lack of capacity is a major issue. If one party is a minor, mentally incapacitated, or under the influence when signing, the contract may be deemed invalid. Illegality is another crucial factor. Contracts involving unlawful activities, or those that violate public policy, are automatically void. Misrepresentation or fraud can also invalidate a contract if one party deliberately provides false information or conceals important facts. Duress or coercion is another invalidating factor. When a party is forced into an agreement under threats or undue pressure, the contract lacks genuine consent. Unconscionability, where the terms are grossly unfair and heavily favor one party, can also render a contract invalid. Significant mutual mistakes regarding contract terms or obligations can void an agreement as well. It's important to understand the difference between void and voidable contracts. A void contract is never legally enforceable, and neither party is bound by its terms. This occurs when the contract's terms are illegal, a party was not of sound mind or legal age, or if it's impossible to satisfy the terms. On the other hand, a voidable contract is initially valid, but can be challenged and potentially nullified. This might happen if a party was forced into the agreement, there was undue influence, or if fraud or misrepresentation occurred. Ambiguity can significantly affect contract validity. Courts may refuse to enforce a contract if key terms are missing or undefined, if there are contradictory clauses, or if the obligations of one or both parties are unclear. To avoid ambiguity, contracts should be carefully drafted with precise language, including well-defined terms, obligations, and dispute resolution mechanisms. When executing a contract, there are several important steps to follow. Always read through the entire document and ensure that the terms are clear and specific. Make sure you understand exactly what you're agreeing to, and clarify anything that seems vague. It's generally best to put agreements in writing to protect yourself in case of future disputes. Be aware of the acceptance details and confirm the identity of the other party. Consideration, or the exchange of value between parties, plays a crucial role in contract validity. A contract may be invalid if there's no exchange of value, if the consideration is illegal, or if it's based on a past event rather than a present or future agreement. Each party must receive some benefit or incur a legal detriment for the contract to be valid. Common mistakes that can void contracts include mutual or unilateral mistakes about fundamental terms, errors in written contracts such as typos or miscalculations, and misunderstandings of intent. To avoid these issues, clear communication, precise drafting, and legal review before execution are essential. When creating a contract, use this checklist to ensure validity. Include offer and acceptance, intention to create a legal relation, lawful consideration, capacity of parties, free consent, lawful object, proper writing and registration if required, certainty of terms, possibility of performance, and ensure it's not expressly declared void by law. In conclusion, understanding what makes a contract invalid is vital for protecting your interests in any agreement. By ensuring your contracts include all necessary components, avoiding common pitfalls, and being aware of factors that can invalidate agreements, you can significantly reduce the risk of legal disputes. Remember, when in doubt, seeking legal counsel can help clarify contract terms and avoid costly litigation. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complex world of contracts and agreements.